Hey you guys, it's me Rachel, and today I'm back with another wig video for you guys. So as you guys can see, today's video is coming from Alipearl hair. And just a disclaimer, you guys, I know the lace looks a little bit white, you can see like that line, but this is what it looks like up close and like with my head down or whatever. If you guys know of a good lace tint, leave it down below or whatever, because I think I need something, or like a powder maybe. But yeah, this wig is from Alipearl hair. They sent me their 5x5 lace closure wig. It's 24 inches and 200% density. And the 5x5 means I can part it 5 inches back, and then there's 5 inches of space across the front. So for this video, I'll just let you guys watch me do my hair because I just recently did a 5x5 closure wig. I did it a little bit more in detail to like tell you guys what I did, or like talk you guys through it or whatever. But I just wanted to say before I go that this hair is beautiful. It's shiny. I don't know if you guys have ever had straight hair that feels like it's not really like alive. I don't know how to explain. But this one is very much alive. It shines. It moves. I loved working with this hair. It's super soft. Also, if you want to know the products I use, I'll leave them all linked down below, from the gel I use to what like hot tools I'm using. So yeah. If you guys would like to see me work with this wig from Alipearl hair, then just keep watching.
Trying to pull us down with such mess. Why can't they let us live just like the rest and keep us out of all this crazy madness? And when they talk, I think it's just a shame that all they do is sit and think my name, when all that I do is mainly sit and think about my baby and me. And baby, they can't believe they can't. You and me are together. That's why they should have never said never. Yeah. There were times when we thought that you and me could never be together. That's why we should have never said never. Said never. About the way me and you get down. What are they jealous or they hate me? I guess they all have their own PhD. I wish that they would just stop sweating me. Stop trying to get the best of me. No matter what they say, baby, gotta move on, cause we're gonna be epic. Did the thoughts that we know? Did the worst that we say?
Okay, y'all, that is all for today's video. Thank you so much to Alipearl for sponsoring this video. Like I said, if you guys have any recommendations for like a good skin toned powder or lace tint, or if you have one, let me know. Send me an email or a comment down below. And yeah, that's all for today's video. If you enjoyed, don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.